Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jimmy in Massachusetts on the Stryker SR-655HP. Jimmy, I got it ready for you, bud. Our tune alignment. Also, you requested to upgrade it to Sheba voltage regulator. We took care of that for you as well. Got it ready to go. Horsepower all the way down. 50-watt slug. Looking about 2.5 watts. All the way up. 20 watts. I'll show you average power swing now. Low 44 average. 100 watt slug. I'll show you peak. Low 90 peak. Alright, Jimmy, it's coming to you. I appreciate your order. Check us out at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.